sound coming from the front right wheel. It's pretty loud as the speed increases. It's almost like a whining noise. It's not like, it doesn't vibrate as much, a little bit. It's not like